Alright, today's April 8th, Monday, about 5 o'clock. It's warming up out here. It's about 90 degrees in the shop. Just want to do a quick little video here of installing these front bumper guards on a 64. 64, you have to drill the bumper out, which can be nerve-wracking, especially after chrome. But it's the only way you're going to mount them. The rear guards kind of just clip in place on the top and then bolt on the bottom. But this video is for the front. So this came with instructions. Do a little shot here. So the instructions, you might want to pause that if you can. Basically, the instructions call to, first step is to find center of the bumper, and then the second step is to measure 19 3/16 inch out on each side, which actually falls about 2 inches from the joint, almost exactly on each side. And then so once you find the gap, once you find the spacing, and you go with the template this little thing came with. This template fits the contour of the bumper. So you lay that on the bumper like that, and it's going to find where you want your hole. So you got your measurement coming out like that, and then this is going to tell you where to punch the hole. So I got it pretty good. That's pretty good. It also calls to drill a 7/16 hole in the bumper, which is almost exactly the size of these bolts. So I'm going a little higher. I remember previous car I did exactly 7/16, and I had a hard time because this thing, so the top bolts from the inside, it's gonna be like so. So your bolt goes up through the hole you drill, and then the bottom just hooks to the bottom of the bumper with a bolt. If you drill exactly the size of the bolt, you're not going to have any play in the movement to line the hole up to get the bolt in. So you're going to be kind of struggling, might be scratching some chrome. So I'm going with a 9/16 drill bit, which is 1/8 bigger. Give you a little bit more room. The hole is covered, so you don't have to worry about it. You're not going to see the hole. I mean, you can even go up to, over an inch if you needed to, which you shouldn't. But so like I say, the hole's covered, so you don't have to worry about it showing. So front bumper guards, 64 Impala, you have to drill the bumper out. Rear guards just hook on top, and then bolt from the bottom. Pretty simple. So these are reproduction bumper guards. It fits pretty decent. You kind of get lost in the shine of the chrome, so unless you're like really sitting there paying attention, nitpicking the car, those don't contour the bumper exactly, then they're standing too close to your car anyways. So these are nothing like the eyebrow moldings or the aluminum trim. These are actually pretty decent pieces, and the chrome is really nice. I mean, these things are really old. They were in the box wrapped up for years, decades actually. So they're pretty nice. The back ones, go ahead and do a little quick shot here. So like I say, the back, it hooks on right there, and then it just bolts along the bottom right there. Back one's contour pretty good for reproduction. So I just wanted to do a little quick video here while I'm doing this. I got one done, gonna knock this other one out, drill a hole, pretty much done. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.